Welcome to the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on the bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. So how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by monetizing their videos with ads running through them. The money you earn depends on your CPM. And the CPM stands for cost per thousand. And CPM is the amount an advertiser pays to have his ads served against videos 1,000 times. It is calculated based on how many people watch the video and from where the people are watching the video. Many factors affect CPM, and these include demographics, content, gender, and time of watch. YouTube will also take 45% of your revenue from the advertising. In 2018, advertisers spent an average of $3 per thousand views. Let's go over Beyond the Press's YouTube channel. They currently have 511,318 subscribers. Total amount of views on the channel is 93,094,502. Now let's do some math and calculate how much money this channel has earned throughout the whole YouTube career. So 93,094,502 multiplied by a CPM of 4, which is 0.004, and you get $372,378. Now, of course, with this, YouTube gets a cut of the revenue. YouTube gets 45%, and this channel gets 55%. So you do $372,378 multiplied by 0.55, and you get $204,807. Daily subs is 120, and monthly subs is 3,574. Daily revenue, this is going to be an estimate. Daily views is currently 60,000. Monetized playback is 48,000, which is 80% of your daily views. So 80% of 60,000 is 48,000. And the reason I chose 80,000 is because most of my views, I noticed that most of my views, at least 80% of them, were monetized. So not all my views are monetized. And basically, a monetized playback is just when you see ads on a video. And people that use ad blocker, they don't see ads, so then the view isn't monetized. CPM is $4. So the daily income is the monetized playback multiplied by the CPM. So 48,000 multiplied by 0.004, and you get $192. Now the monthly income is $192 multiplied by 30, and you get $5,760. Now annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. Revenue is $5,760 multiplied by 12, and you get $69,120. Now, of course, with this, YouTube gets a cut of the revenue. YouTube gets 45%, and this channel gets 55%. So you have to do $69,120 multiplied by 0.55, and you get $38,016. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know the next YouTuber you want me to do next.